Hi friends, this is Raja. Welcome to Coder's Companion. The topic that I am going to cover in this video is Data Types Overview. This is a series of video on Python programming for beginners. And for more videos, you can visit my channel or click on my playlist link given in the description. Before moving on to the video, I would recommend you to subscribe my channel so that you get the notification each time I publish a new video. Let's get started. Data types overview is the first topic in data types and type conversion. Let's see the list of data types in Python. Integer, floating point, complex, boolean, string, none, tuple, list, dictionary, and set. Data types can be broadly categorized into two based on their editable property. Immutable types, which means non-modifiable. Adding, deleting, and editing data is not possible. Mutable types. In simple words, mutable means changeable or modifiable. Adding, deleting, and editing the data is possible. Immutable types are integer, floating point number, complex number, boolean, none, string, and tuple. Mutable types are list, dictionary, and set. Again, data types can be categorized based on the data items: scalar type, sequence type, mapping type, and set type. Data type in the form of single value is called scalar type. Data type in the form of sequence of value is called sequence type. Data type in the form of key and value mapping is called mapping type. Unordered collection of distinct objects is called set type. It is the Python implementation of set in math. The scalar types are integer, floating point, complex, and boolean. The sequence types are string, tuple, and list. Dictionary is mapping type. Set is set type. Apart from these categories, there is a special type called none type for none. Key points about integer. Integer is scalar and immutable data type. Integers are the whole numbers, both positive and negative including 0. These are some examples. Key points about floating point number. It is scalar and immutable data type. Floating point number are the real numbers with decimal point. These are some examples. Key points about complex number. It is scalar and immutable data type. Complex numbers will be in the form of a plus bj, where a is the real part and b is the imaginary part. J is the square root of -1. In math, we use I instead of j. Boolean is scalar and immutable type. A Boolean type can either have value true or false. Key points about none type. Data type in Python which represents nothing or null value. None is a data type of its own, none type. None is not the same as false. None is not 0. None is not an empty string. Comparing none to anything will always return false, except none itself. String is sequence type and immutable data type. A string data type lets you hold string data. It is sequence type because it is composed of sequence of characters. Any characters enclosed in single quotes or double quotes or triple single quotes or triple double quotes is called a string. By using triple quotes, we can write multi-line strings. Tuple is sequence type and immutable data type. Tuple data type is a collection of elements of different data type. Tuple is enclosed by the parenthesis or round bracket, and each item is separated by comma. List is sequence type and mutable data type. List is a collection of elements of different data types. The values stored in list are separated by comma and enclosed within square brackets. Dictionary is mapping type and mutable data type. Dictionary stores the data as key-value pair. It is enclosed by curly brackets, and each pair is separated by comma. Set is unordered collection of distinct objects, and it is mutable type. It is enclosed by curly bracket, and each element is separated by comma. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on the like button, share the link to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you get the notification each time I publish a new video. See you in next video.